Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Pisces. Pisces people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Oh my god. So Pisces, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your readings. Pisces, this is your current energy, Wheel of Fortune. It seems like you were waiting for something to happen in your life and that thing has started to happen. Okay, you are waiting for some kind of a good news or some kind of a good time. That time has arrived. It is your time. Okay, so whatever you are going to do, whatever you are going to say, that all things are going to work in your favor. All right, this is the best time of your life. You are being somebody who is fortunate enough to get this time. Okay, divine is with you, universe is with you. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Okay, if you are planning to do something, you are planning to say yes to somebody, whatever the case it is a yes, it is a yes, it is your time, Pisces. All right, divine is in your favor, universe is in your favor. Everything is happening just to get you what you deserve. All right, on the other hand, we have Five of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like that your person has been dished by some of their own people. Okay, that's why they are feeling cold. Okay, their own loved ones must have ditched them, their own loved one must have cheated on them, and that's why they are feeling cold. They feel that nobody likes them, nobody wants them in their life. They are feeling completely broken. Okay, and I see with this card their karmas are following them. Wherever they are going, their karmas are following them. They cannot get rid of this. All right, so it's you. On one hand, you are going to experience the best time of your life. On the other hand, it's your person who is going through very tough time in their life. They are feeling heartbroken, they are feeling ditched, they are feeling sad. Okay, now let's see what you or how you see them and how they see you. How you see them and how they see you. Eight of Wands. Pisces, with this card Eight of Wands, it seems like you see this person as somebody who is always in a hurry to say. Okay, you see this person that this person don't have any time to think about the consequences which are going to create a problem for them. Okay, so for you see them as somebody who is very immature. You see them that this person doesn't use his brain. Okay, this person just wants to say something. Okay, they are somebody who always jumps into some conversation. Okay, so from your perspective, you see them as somebody who is always ready to give any confirmation, any communication to somebody else, and hence you feel that this person is a little immature. All right, on the other hand, this is Hierophant. Your person sees you as somebody who is either you are a very good counselor. Okay, you are somebody who can help, or who help everyone. Okay, or else they see you as somebody who is taking guidance from the people around you. Okay, they see you as somebody who always in a talk with some of their managers, some of their elders. You could be taking advice from your friends, your family, your loved ones. So you are always surrounded by a lot of people. Okay, and all of them are your loved ones, all of them are your well-wishers. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Page of Pentacles. Oh my god, Sun. Pisces, with this card Page of Pentacles, I feel that you are not at all interested in taking any action towards them, because this Page of Pentacles is saying it to me that Perhaps you have invested it with in this person in past, okay, but now you feel that, hey, I have something in my life, I have a huge uh, I have a huge canvas to paint, okay, why would I, be after with this person? I have immense opportunities ahead me, why should I waste my time with this person who is not into me, who doesn't care about me? Or, I mean, anything could be happen, okay. Perhaps this person must have disrespected you in past, okay. Perhaps they have ghosted you in past. Whatever the case it is, it seems like you are not in any mood to take any action towards this person, okay. You have some opportunities in your life, you have a vast canvas in your life, you just want to write the best of the best chapters of your life now, okay. On the other hand, we have the sun. It seems like your person who was not into you completely in past, perhaps they have started thinking about you, okay, even though they have not taken a solid step towards you, perhaps they have not spoken to you right yet, but yes, I'm seeing with the sun card they are soon to connect with you, okay. Perhaps now they are feeling that, okay, this person was good for me, why did I ditch them, or why did I, take them for took them for granted, okay. So now when they are feeling cold, when they are feeling betrayed, when they are feeling ditched, they are understanding your situation, and now I feel that soon they are going to take some action towards you. All right, now let's see what or how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Knight of Swords. Okay, Pisces, you always felt that this person is rushing towards you, okay. You always felt that this person wants me, okay, and perhaps they have made such such impression on you that, hey, I'm working towards you, hey, I'm doing something for you, hey, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I miss you, and I love you, I like you, and blah blah blah, okay. So they were, you know they were just, talking with you very sugar coated words, but the reality is that somewhere in your heart you felt that this person is just making fool out of you, okay. They are just pretending that, hey, they are taking any action, but they are not, and somehow you also get a hint of that thing. All right, on the other hand, your person, Three of Cups, your person in this relationship felt nothing. I feel that they were somebody who was already into somebody else, okay. They were partying that time, they were having their own good time with their own close people, okay. They must be drinking, they must be having very good time, okay. So some celebration was going on at their end, or some celebration is going on at their end. Perhaps they are ignoring you right now, perhaps they have ignored you in past, perhaps they have ghosted you in past, okay. So some celebration is going on for them, okay. They were never serious about you, Pisces. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy and the future potential. What is the mutual energy and the future potential? Death. Something is still not yet ended in your life. It seems like you have to see this person again in your life, okay. This chapter is not yet closed for you, Pisces. Be ready, they are definitely going to come towards you. They are definitely going to come and apologize for their actions, for their behaviors. Now it's completely up to you whether you are going to accept their apologies or not, okay. The chapter is not yet finished in your life, Pisces. The future potential is saying that this person perhaps wants to take some action towards you. This person is waiting for the correct time to move towards you, okay. Perhaps this person must be living far away from you, perhaps in a different state, different country, different province, or different continent in itself. So perhaps in future they are going to take or they are going to plan to meet you. I'm telling you, this person is definitely going to come back into your life. You accept their apologies, or you don't accept their apologies. That is completely up to you. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. If you believe in what? If you believe in yourself that you cannot let this person into your life, you cannot, and you won't. If you believe that this person is coming into your life and you should accept their apologies, then do it. So just listen to your heart, just listen to your intuition. What your heart says, just follow that. All right, if your heart says that okay, let them give a chance, okay, or if your heart says don't give them another chance, they are definitely going to hurt you one more time, just listen to your heart. What your heart says, just follow it. All right, okay. So in this reading we have Scorpio with this Death card. Okay, some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this Three of Cups. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign with this Five of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Three of Wands and Eight of Wands. And we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords. Alright, so Pisces, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. God bless you.